and all that Subway Series Edition. I tried all 12, and my favorite one is the Boss, and I love that meatball and pepperoni sub on it. Well, these two are good subs, very good subs. But that's my favorite is the Boss. The least favorite is the Supreme Meats. So what you think about it and see what your favorites are. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Well, thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like or comment on this video or any other videos I posted, and subscribe to my channel. And it certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for and do all that good stuff that I send you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye bye. Da 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 da